What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here. And we finally got it in hand. iPhone 11. It's the white version. Let's get it unboxed. So, not gonna waste any time. Just gonna go ahead, take that off. Set that to the side. And this is it. This is what you get. The white variant right here, iPhone 11. We'll lift this up. And first, let's go through the contents that are in the box. First off, designed by Apple in California. This is all the normal stuff that we get that we don't use. Put that to the side. You get some earbuds. Now, earbuds are, let me get them undone right here. Lightning cable earbuds, because there is no headphone jack on here. Set those up there. You get a lightning cable right here in the box. Now, lightning cable because we're not using USB Type-C. Not sure why Apple's not going that route, but that's what we got. Lightning cable on deck. And our little bitty charging brick right here. Charging brick, normal standard charging brick. This is not a fast charging wall adapter. If you want fast charging, you're gonna have to go out and buy an 18-watt charging adapter for that fast charging capability. I'm gonna sit that back down. And now we're gonna actually pick up this iPhone and get this thing out of this plastic. So here we go. One piece of plastic, and that seems to be it. So we got a nice glass backing right here. Those two cameras that sit oh so nicely right there, and then the matted out finish. Back is glossy, as we can all see. But the reason I chose this white is because no fingerprints on there. Now, screen will still get fingerprints on it, so that's the norm. Over here is your power button. Over here, volume rockers, your toggle right there, and speaker up top, speaker down bottom, and this is your lightning charging adapter port right there. Now, I'm not doing a full review right now. Wanted to take this thing out of the box and let you guys see what this looks like. So in the camera, it does look white, but it's more of a cream, pearlish kind of color. I have not rocked the iPhone like full time in years. So I got to get back in the groove of things. You know, I got the iPad, so pretty much same ecosystem, but I got to get used to carrying this thing. Feels really good in the hands. Not that big. 6.1 inch screen on here. I'm going to come back after a couple of days doing a full review of this. But for now, that's going to be it. In the box, you get your earbuds. You get your wall adapter. You get your lightning charging adapter, and you get your instructions. So that's not it for this video. Earlier this week, I did a review on some clear cases by UMaker, and I said I would be giving one away when the iPhone actually came out. And the lucky winner is Ricardo Rodriguez. You win this case for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So be sure and stay tuned to my next video, because one lucky winner will be winning this Skyfall case from Caseology for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Until next time, I hope this has been able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.